Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Remos Professional Body Care Pedicure Case. And the name is Olymp. Oh yeah! What is Remos? Remos are an expert when it comes to professional body care. This young international team is working with products made of stainless steel and further high quality materials. With experience and joy, they offer highly professional consultations. They value all customers and ensure fixes, as well as service for all these products to guarantee maximum quality. It is very important for Remos to match the products to us, the customers' needs. Oh, this is a nice thing. And this is a nice set. It comes with so many for you. Oh yeah, for your pedicure. It is a perfect gift. For example, the Professional Pedicure Case Olymp is ideally suitable for chiropodists and podiatrists. For the perfect nail care, this set with 8 high-quality body care instruments offer the right care for every nail. It is equipped with a diamond file for fingernails, a diamond file for toenails, a nail excavator, a scalpel holder, a hoof stick, cuticle pliers, nail pliers, and edge pliers. The size is 20 to 17 to 3 centimeters. These are 7.8 inches to 6.7 inches to 1.1 inches. And the color is black. That manicure and pedicure set, Olymp, is a large case with space for up to 12 personal care instruments. The case is made entirely of genuine leather and the measures are 210 to 170 to 330 millimeters. It includes flexible loops that fix the manicure and pedicure instruments in a set. The set Olymp can be opened, closed and unfolded with a zipper. These are important manicure and pedicure instruments are lined up and neatly stowed next to each other. This particular case is available in 2 different versions. In addition to the normal leather set like this, you can also be purchased that set with additional fabric insert. But this I do not need. It is enough for me to have a manicure and pedicure set Olymp, like as you can see here. The very handy manicure and pedicure case is available in 2 different inlays. This I told you. The 2 inlays are for more tools and for better storage of them. Here you can see the Remos scalpel holder number 3 with 10 spare plates. The scalpel holder, made of stainless steel, can accommodate as required blades with different types. It can fit blades number 10, 11, 12 and 15. Here you can see it is the Remos excavator. This is ideally suited for ingrown toenails. Cuticle and nail residues are easy to remove. It has an inverted cut to ensure each nail can be treated perfectly. It works wonderful on your foot nails and of course on your fingernails too. Now let's have a look at the next tool in this set. Here comes the Remos diamond file for the fingernails. The fingernails are on your hands. This nail file made of stainless steel coated with diamond dust with fine and coarse side treats the nail gently. It will bring a wonderful clean out under your nails, and it will get a wonderful shape on the edges of your nail and on the front side of your nails, of your fingers. You can start with the one side which is a little bit rougher than the other. Then you can use this file to remove some fingernails and bring some a little bit of shape in it, and then you can rotate the nail, not the nail, the file, and you can finish your nail easily. This is awesome, high quality device, high quality tool. Let's head up to the next tool. This is a file too. It is a Remos diamond file for toenails and colors. The toenail file, made of stainless steel coated with diamond dust, with fine and coarse side. It can be used for nails and also calluses on hand and feet. That means you can use it to make one full surface by the finished side. This is the fine side, but this is the finished thing. That is the last step in your workflow. Before you will do this, use the other side of the file. This is the coarse side, and this you can use to remove calluses too. And of course you can have and form your nails on your toes. Easily, really easily, high quality tool. It feels like professional because it is a professional tool. Yeah, Remos done fine for toenails. Godlike. Work at the same like the fingernails. Start at the edges, at the side of your toenails. Then form the toenails in one line with your feet and with your toe itself. Then go and make the surface finished. The next tool in this set is a hoof stick. Remos hoof sticks made of plastic. The Remos hoof sticks is the perfect tool for pushing back the cuticle gently. Also for removing the deposits under the nails. It is a tiny little but smart tool for you and for me, of course. You will push back your cuticle gently with this tool, with this hoof stick formed rubber on the red side of the tool, and you can use the other side for pushing back too, of course, but the other side I like more to remove dirt under the fingernails and of course of the toenails too. It is easy peasy to use, but it is professional to handle. Let's go to the first nipper in this set. It is a Remos cuticle nipper. Oh yeah, fast and clean. The Remos cuticle nipper reaches every cuticle and lets remove cuticles easily. The stainless steel pliers have interchangeable double spring suspension and box joints. The durable pliers are also disinfectable. This cuticle nipper, rust resistant and hardened stainless steel, removes unwanted cuticles. The length is 10 centimeters, the length of the cutting edge is 4 millimeters, and you have a sturdy box joint. And it is professional style to cut your yeah, you're not needed any more skin around your fingers. For example, on your toes too. Okay, on your yeah. If you don't need the skin, you can nippers it up with this awesome and high quality tool. And I think on the left side there are more pliers, as you can see. Now let's head up to the head cutter with 2 tips. For easy cutting, these nail pliers are the perfect tool to easily cut thick toenails. And this is right. I choose it and I like it. Cut loose ingrown nails. I have so long time ago. It is in the past now because I used this head cutter. It succeed to use and to lose my ingrown nails. We can precisely cut nail corners and prevent ingrown nails thanks to the double-tipped head cutter. And this Remos nail plier are considerably larger than nail scissors, so people with large hands like me can comfortably hold them. And you have a long lifespan. These nail clippers are made from stainless steel. They have been crafted to the highest quality, and so they have a long lifespan. And you have a cat cutter with 2 tips, a nail-shaped edge, a rust-resistant and hardened stainless steel. Oh yeah! Slim tips, therefore very suitable to cut ingrown nails, and it works wonderful without trouble, without uncomfortable feeling, and without pain. This is really the best tool in this box. I think so. Really. The head cutter with 2 tips. And last but not least, this is an awesome thing too. The head cutter was awesome, really awesome. But if you have so much ingrown toenails like me, there is an additional part which can help you. And this is the edge pliers. It is a slanted tip. It cut loose ingrown nails. These nail pliers are specialized to cut the corners of your toenails. With this you can prevent ingrown toenails and you can remove ingrown toenails, or you can prepare to remove them. And this is another awesome tool in combination with the 2 head cutter, what we are saw before. These 2 pliers are godlike, really godlike in one team. Fine and precise tips. The pliers features extremely fine tips to cut nail corners in an exact and clean way. It can be resharpened. The blades of the edge pliers can also be resharpened if after several years they are no longer as sharp as initially. Long lifespan. That Remos nail pliers are made from stainless steel too. They have been crafted to the highest quality, and so they have a long lifespan. And the Remos edge pliers, pointed, rust resistant and hardened stainless steel. Wow, awesome thing. Really awesome tool, really awesome pliers here. But the set, all over the set of the Olymp, it is really Olymp set. Manicure and pedicure set Olymp. This is awesome to make a better feeling on your feet, on your fingers, on your body, and it is for a better healthy way for you. Yep. and Remos are young, internationally, successfully, and it works with unique, suitable body care products. Creativity and the joy when working with body care products is the key to Remos and our success. Because Remos built for professionals out there, for professional body care. Just be beautiful. Being beautiful is one thing. To feel beautiful, the secret. Body care instruments for body, mind, and soul. And this is right. This set is so awesome. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.